All right, we got 6 here for Jeremy. Jeremy, you got to try one of these Donruss. Clearly Donruss. 5. 5th one down. Farrah, I'll do yours here shortly because you didn't send me an email, so you don't have a spot holder. Are you sending the money right now, Farrah? Did you already send over? If you ever want anything, just send over the money, and then your spot holder's held. Nah, mean dude, Jalen Noel, and Luca. I can't remember when you told me you wanted one at the point of where the people were ordering were. You have to send over and then I can hold it. Get it? Kai Bowman, number to 35. But I can do yours next because I don't know where your spot would be. R.J. Barrett, Darius Garland. Actually, shoot me an email too, Farrah. I need to mark it off my books tonight. And if you can, just go ahead and send. Then I'll just get that email and then I can mark it off. Steph Curry, Isaiah Roby, and Tyler Hero. Last pack here, Jeremy, is Giannis Victor. Here's a purple hero. Purple hero and base. The hell is that annoying ass noise? Jeremy, thanks a lot, man.